Happy Monday, everyone. This order is for Diana from Maryland, and she ordered the Kwadron cartridge. Each pack has 20 needles, and the size of it is 30.1 RLLT, and we obviously have different ones. Some Etalon pigments, a hazelnut, a cognac, and dark chocolate, and the black color for eyes. And the pigments for lips are Gentle Kiss number 1. It's like a children lip color, perfect for blondies and can be used as the basic one. It's a pink caramel, warm pink. It's a basic shade for aging cold lips. Perfect choice for those who like pink caramel colors. This is a cherry mousse, a beautiful cherry shade. It's suitable for all types of clients and can be used as standalone pigments, or you can mix it with others. And the last one is the Dusty Rose. It's a pastel color and it has a slight lilac pink tint. For natural shades, for brightish shades, it's good to pair it with the cherry mousse, by the way, or terracotta corrector.